From salmon spawning, classic street scenes of Toronto, a moody moon over Muskoka, to flora and fauna.
I wanted to capture the beauty of Ontario. It's such an honor to be selected.
More than 100 artists display their works in this little-known gallery.
I can't explain how grateful and honored I am to be here.
Launched in 2018, Art à la Carte provides Ontario artists with an opportunity to showcase their talents for visitors to the in-camera dining room in the Legislative Assembly building. What does it mean to you to be in this show?
Art à la Carte is a fantastic opportunity. I am here with artists from all over the province. It's an environment that speaks to us.
I got inspired by the lake, where I actually do kayak there with my husband every summer. Lake Lisgar in Tillsonburg, and this is fog coming in, and the trees are all highlighted.
I love the outdoor. I do plein air. So when I seen this, I went, I need to represent the Manitoulin Island and the Strawberry Island.
You're taking us there with this.
So I'm very proud to be here showing this. I believe in Ontario, so I said I'll share my Ontario piece.
Information is on the OLA.org website about how to get involved. The submissions come from Ontario residents 18 and older. The work can be as big as 91 by 91 centimeters or 3 square feet, ready to hang. They range from acrylic, watercolor, photography, to fiber, graphite, and oil on canvas.
When I first came to Canada 25 years ago, people would say, oh my God, it's a cold country, winter is terrible. I love the winter. So this is a scene where I would take my 2 kids. So I want to capture for my friends in different countries that how beautiful the winter is. I'm so proud to be selected, and it's a beautiful exhibition.
If you're an artist or know someone who would like to see their work exhibited here, applications open in the summer, then selections are made sometime in the fall, and then your work could be here for the entire following year. For the Legislative Assembly of Ontario, I'm Stephanie Matteis.